Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another iPhone accessory unboxing video, this time for the iPhone battery pack MagSafe. This device has a plastic-like texture with MagSafe charging logo on the back. Overall, the charging pad is relatively small, about 11 millimeters thickness and size. There is not much that is included inside the packaging. Looks like Apple just gives you a small informational manual. Now for the charging port, it will be the same as your iPhone insert, lightning cable, which is located at the very bottom of this device. Alright, so testing out the unit is definitely pretty straightforward. Just go ahead and set the charging pad on the back of the device and it will automatically connect via the magnetic capabilities. Another thing you should know is you'll need a MagSafe compatible phone case in order to use the battery pack with a phone cover. Otherwise, you'll have to use it without it. I really love how snug and compact this device actually fits. Definitely not as bulky as I imagined and will come right off with a good enough tug. Another point out is the battery pack has a really nice firm magnetic grip, which will ensure it does not fall out in your pocket and or your book bags. Check it out as you can see me trying to make it budge. When you insert a cable into the pad, you will have a light indicator which signifies it's working, which shows here. Another cool thing is you can charge the battery pack while charging your phone at the same time, which can make a great use for alternative wireless charging pad solution.